Today I'm making the cheeseburger spring rolls from the Spring Roll Wagon in the Magic Kingdom. Welcome to Disney Dishes, where I'm making all of the best dishes, recipes, and snacks from Walt Disney World parks and hotels. None of these concepts belong to me. They are my own recipes inspired from the favorites around the parks and hotels. A cheeseburger spring roll. That sounds insanely unnecessary. This is a really popular snack in Adventureland in the Magic Kingdom. I've never had it, so this is a first for me. And when you think about putting a cheeseburger in a spring roll, it does sound pretty good. You got the crispy outer wrapper of the spring roll and then all of that just greasy, gooey cheeseburger goodness in the middle. I'm pretty sure these are gonna be delicious and also very, very artery clogging. I'm actually pretty excited to try this, so let's make it.
We're going to start by making our smash burgers. I have 80-20 ground beef in 3-ounce portions. We're going to roll them in balls, put these directly on a very hot griddle, preheated to 450, with parchment paper so we can press them down without them sticking. We want to really smash them down flat. Then it's time to season, only when they're on the griddle. They only take a few minutes per side. We want to flip, make sure they have that really nice Maillard sear on them. After those are done, I've chopped a yellow onion. We're going to cook them in that delicious grease on the griddle. So we're going to hit those with salt and pepper, and then just cook them until they start to turn translucent. And that's pretty much it for the cooking of the components. We're gonna let those cool and make sure those are ready to go so we can roll them up. For the secret sauce I'm gonna make is a dipping sauce. It's mayo, ketchup, some chopped pickle, then I've got salt, pepper, some paprika, garlic and onion powder, and optional MSG. We're just gonna mix that together, and that is our secret burger dipping sauce. Now it is time to roll up these spring rolls. So I found spring roll wrappers in the freezer section of the grocery store. These are the nice large egg roll sized ones, and I'm gonna brush the perimeter with egg just so they seal nicely when we roll them up. Now we don't want to overfill these, just so they roll up nicely. I'm going to start with the onion, add in some chopped pickle, then I'm going to break up some of the burger patty and put that on top of there. And then this is cheeseburger, so of course we need a good old slice of American cheese. Now I'm going to fold these up, starting with those two corners folded inwards, and then I'm just going to roll this kind of burrito style. I am no expert on even burrito rolling, let alone spring roll rolling, so this is just what worked for me, and they came out good. And I just want to lay them seam side down once I'm done, and I repeat that with the rest of my product. So I got about 6 spring rolls out of this. I've preheated vegetable oil in a large pot to 375, and these only take about a few minutes to fry up. You're just looking for that golden brown crispy exterior because the inside's already cooked through, so we're just frying up the outside for this. Once those turn golden brown, just give them about 10 minutes to cool so you don't completely wreck your mouth when you eat them. But I'm telling you, these are really, really good. You've got the cheeseburger in there, and there's a really nice gooey cheese pull when you break them open. If my camera will focus, there we go. You can see the burger, the onion, the pickle, the cheese. These are just insanely good.
The fact that we made smash burgers and then rolled them up into spring rolls and then deep fried them. And then we got the secret sauce right here. I'm like, unnecessary. Also, what kind of car is that? Is it nice? Can I have a donation? All right, the exterior came out so golden brown and crispy, and then we broke open that inside. We got that cheese pull. It does look really, really greasy, which comes to no surprise, but hopefully that means flavor. The immediate smile on my face should tell you everything you need to know. You guys, that is stinking wonderful. I mean, immediately, after that crunch from the shell, you get the flavor of the burger. You get the onion, you get the pickle, you get the gooiness from the cheese. That's really good. It's something I wish I could eat more of if it weren't so high in fat. But I can't believe I've never tried this, and next time I go to Disney, I will be getting these for sure. The recipe is in the description. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see the rest of this Disney Dishes series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.